Children, this is a rotary phone. This is how you operate it.
You mean grandchildren?
Grandchildren, children, whatever.
Okay.
Raise up the handle, okay? This is your earpiece. This is how you talk, okay? This is your hang up, okay? That hangs it up. Now you'll get the dial tone. You're ready to dial, okay? And you have your number right here. This is your personal number. Then other people have other numbers. Here's your area code. Okay, so if you want to make a long distance call, you go 1, your area code, okay, then your number, okay, 3, 2, 2, 6, 7, 7. Now you wait, and it's going to ring. You're going to hear the phone ringing, okay? When someone says hello, you talk, okay? And when you're done talking, you hang up, okay? So you know what a rotary phone is now, how it operates, how the thing goes back and forth, and you are educated on a rotary phone. Thank you.